I've been here for 10 minutes. Dude, he was fired up. Let's go. I've been here for 10 minutes. Showed up late. Literally got out. The sun's up. He's already on the ground. I hoot. He gobbles back in the woods, probably like 100 yards. Walk down the property line, set up my tom. Just dusted him. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It took 10 minutes. This is what I expected my hunt to be like. This is literally what I expected. Look at the colors, dude. Oh, yeah, baby. Kind of got the fan a little bit, but it's all right. Oh, my God. Man, you can't beat it, I swear. Look at the hooks. Look at the hooks on that sucker. Oh. This baby. Oh, baby. Let's go. He must have gotten wet this morning. Look at that. Look at that. Just nuts, boys. Let's go. Oh, man. Awesome hunt. Beautiful morning. I mean, it's cloudy and misty, but I wouldn't say misty, but it's cloudy. All in all, beautiful morning. Got hooks. Let's go. What a good time.